So one of our previous videos was free streaming apps for Android and iOS. You can thank me for that, yo. Now I bring you free streaming apps for Android-based TVs like Mi Box TV or Nvidia Shield and a bunch of other stuff. While free being the key word here, you can't expect shows like Game of Thrones or Stranger Things. But these apps have partnership with Paramount and Sony, so you can expect some really good TV shows and movies. With that out of the way, let's see some of those apps that you can use on your Android-based TV, shall we? Starting off, we have Hotstar, a popular Star India-owned streaming service that offers IPL and popular HBO shows like Game of Thrones, The Wire, along with some local and regional content. Most of the content is free to watch and doesn't even require you to log in. However, if you're an Indian resident moving outside, you won't be able to access your country's catalogue. Yes, Hotstar is available in US and Canada, but the pricing structure is quite different. So here's how you get an Indian Hotstar on an Android TV. First, download Hotstar from Play Store on your Android TV. And if I try and play any non-VIP or non-premium content which is entirely free to watch, I get the following error. This means that you can't watch Hotstar outside of India. To fix this, sideload the Smart DNS Proxy app from Pluto TV or any other method we discussed before, and open Smart DNS Proxy's VPN and set the country to India and then the server to Bangalore. Now go back to Hotstar app and select the media that you want to view, and then there you go, you'll be able to watch any favorite free shows on Hotstar. But what about premium or VIP content? Well, assuming that you've already purchased VIP or premium before changing your country, do this. Try to play any VIP content on your TV and you'll be shown a 4-digit code. Now head over to hotstar.com/activate on your other device to find the code as soon as possible. As you open the URL, you'll get an error saying Hotstar is not available in your country. To fix this, again open the Smart DNS Proxy app and connect the VPN to India Bangalore. Next up, we've got Sony Crackle. It's pretty old and owned by Sony. Crackle is completely compatible with Android TV and can be used natively with Android TV Remote. All of Crackle's content is completely free. Some of the popular movies include like Comedians in Cars Getting Coffee or TV shows like Firefly and Seinfeld. My only complaint is that there's a lack of search function and HD content. But then again, you can't really complain about getting free stuff now, can you? The best part is though, you don't even need to log in to view any of these movies. Check out Sony Crackle, I'll leave the links in the description below as always. So moving on. FilmRise is a free movie and TV streaming app from the studio of the same name. The UI of the app is quite simplistic and easy to use. As soon as you open the app, you get all the movies that you want to watch, so you can just tap on one of them and start watching without the need of signing into the app. The major problem with this is the lack of HD content, as most movies on this app are pretty old. Pluto TV is another popular free streaming service. Pluto TV offers access to over 100 live TV channels, as well as a selection of movies and shows for the price of absolutely nothing. Scrolling from the top to bottom will show you categories like news, sports, movies, entertainment, and comedy. It includes some of the popular channels like Bloomberg, Cheddar, CNBC, MSNBC, CBSN. And if you scroll from left to right, it'll show you the shows timing up to the next 5 hours. Tubi TV, like Pluto TV, is another totally free ad-supported streaming video service that you can access almost on all platforms like Android phone or even an Android TV. According to the company, Tubi has more than 50,000 titles in its library. At the time of making this video, it includes The IT Crowd, Spaced, Cowboy Bebop, True Grit, Old Boy, Naruto, Revolutionary Girl, Utena, and a bunch more. Although, do note there's no way to get rid of ads, you will have to watch them. Thankfully though, those are quite short and bearable. So those were some of the best free streaming apps that we found for Android-based TV. While some of them might not be available in your country because it's geo-restricted, you can use Smart DNS Proxy in that case. And I'm Vamsi, thanks for watching. Hey wait, subscribe. Vamsi wants you to subscribe. See ya.